Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to hide active status on Instagram. First of all, launch open the Instagram application on your device and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you end up in your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then this will open up the settings and activity option. Once you do that, click on Messages and Story Reply under How Others Can Interact with You. Now click on Show Activity Status under Who Can See That You're Online. To hide active status on Instagram, toggle off the button right next to Show Active Status and then get back. After you do that, this will hide your online status from others on Instagram. And just like that, no more green dots. Now you can browse Instagram in peace without anyone knowing that you are online. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.